Hi, how often does the modeling and training done as how often is modeling and training done as banking data is dynamic, millions of transactions daily and many loan applications daily? So I think he's asking there about the overall volume of the data that a bank generates, and how do you keep up with that testing and modeling of it all?
Yeah. So as Rohan said, the volume of data is huge, and it almost feels like you pull the plug on a bath and it's draining out, but someone's got the taps turned on and the water's still coming in there. So there's two different ways that you can look at it. You can do single one-off tests, where you take a data set at one point in time, and if you're going to perform data analysis on that, you go and you can talk back to your stakeholders about what you found with that one singular data set. But basically, the true value add when it comes to performing audit work on data is where you have continuous monitoring in place, or basically tools that are constantly monitoring the data as it flows in and out of systems, and is testing those controls, or testing whatever dynamic that you're trying to look for. And I think that's really, really important.